Hello everyone, today I will be telling about the pair of linear equations in two variables. So we will get the solutions of pair of linear equation in two variables with the help of three methods. The first one is graphical method, second one is elimination method and third one is substitution method. And what is linear pair of equation? Those equations have two variables and the maximum power of these variables are 1. Okay, let's see. Let's start with the linear equations in two variable. General form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. You can see that the maximum power of x is 1 and the maximum power of y is also 1. So x and y are variables but a, b and c are constant. Okay, let's take some examples. 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. You can see that here the maximum power of x is 1 and here is also the maximum power is 1. So this is a linear pair of equation in two variable. Okay, but here this is not a linear pair of equation in two variable because here the maximum power of x variable is 2. The maximum power of y variable is 1 but the maximum power of x variable is 2. So it is not a linear equation in two variable. Okay, let's take another one example. Plus 4 under root y plus 5 is equals to 0. This one is also not a linear equation in two variable because under root is equals to 1 by 2. So the value is 3 u the power 1 by 2 and 4 4b and 4b power 1 by 2 plus 5 is equals to 0. Here the power is 1 by 2. Maximum power is 1 by 2. So it is not a linear equation. Okay. Keep in mind, don't take the value of constant a, b and c together 0. Because if we take together 0, the variables are automatically eliminated. So keep in mind. And what is pair of linear equation in two variable? Pair of linear equation in two variables. Here, need two linear pair of equations like 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. Here, second one is 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equals to 0. Both are pair of linear equation in two variable. This is one linear equation. First linear equation. This is first linear equation and this one is second linear equation. And this one is second linear equation. So both are the pair of linear equation in two variable. The general form of pair of linear equation in two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c is equals to 0. Second one is a2x plus v2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is the general form. Here a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 are constants. Okay. C2 are constant. But x, y are the variables. Solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. We have to find out by three methods. The first one is graphical method. Second one is elimination method. And third one is substitution method. If we have one linear pair of equation, it will give one straight line. And if we have two pair of linear equation in two variable, we will get two straight lines. Okay. If we have to make two straight line, there are three conditions. Two straight lines. We have three conditions. As we know that what is the general form of linear pair of linear equation in two variable, like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. The first pair of linear equation will give the first straight line. And the second pair of linear equation will give second straight line. Okay, let's see three conditions of pair of linear equation in two variable. The first condition is both lines are intersect to each other at one point, like that, this one. This is the point. And the second condition is both lines are parallel to each other, like that. And the third condition is both lines are coincide to each other, like that. Okay. You can see that here only one solution. Okay. and here there is no common point, so there is no solution. But here is many solutions, because there are many common points in coincident line. Okay. This one is parallel. This one is coincident. Okay. In intersect line, there is only one solution. If we have to find out the solutions of both the pair of linear equation, not by graphical method, by elimination method or by substitution method, we get the solution of both the pair of linear equation with the help of ratios of constants, like that. Like here is one solution, so a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. And this line is consistent line. Why this is consistent? Because there is one solution. And in parallel, there is no solution. Ratios of constants are a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. Okay. And this line is inconsistent. Because there is no solution, no common point. And in the coincident lines, there is many solutions. And in the second, ratios of constants are a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. And this one is consistent line. Because there is many solution. The line consistent when they have at least one solution. It is consistent line. Okay. Let's take one question. Akila went to a fair in her village. She wanted to enjoy rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. Okay, the number of items she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. Number of times she had ride on giant wheel is equals to y, and the number of times she played hoopla is equals to x. So the equation is what? She played hoopla is half the number of ride. So the number of hoopla is equals to x and the number of ride is equals to y. So x is equals to half of y. If we take 2x is equals to y. 2x is equals to y. So the equation is 2x minus y is equals to 0. This is our first equation. Okay. Next, if each ride cost rupees 3 and a game of hoopla costed rupees 4, how would you find out the number of rides she had and how many times she played hoopla, provided she spent rupees 20? Means in the total, she spent rupees 20. So what is the each ride of cost is equals to 3. So we have ride is equals to y. So the equation, so that is 3y, and the game of hoopla cost rupees equals to 4, and the time of seeded hoopla is equals to x. So it is 4x. So the equation is 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. It is solved by graphical method. X is equals to half y. But here 2x is equals to y. 2x minus y is equals to 0. This is our first equation. And the second equation is 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. This is second equation. In graphical method, we have to draw lines in graph. We have to find out at least 3 solutions of variables. Okay. X is equals to 0 in first equation. Our first equation is 2x minus y is equals to 0. We put x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 0. Okay. Next, take another value. At x is equals to 1. The value of y is here 2. Minus y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 2. At x equals to 1, the value of y is 2. Let's put the value x is equals to 2. Y is equals to minus 4 and y is equals to 4. At x equals to 2, the value of y is 4. Okay. Let's take one another value of x. That is 3. At x equals to 3, the value of y is 6. Okay. These values put in equation first. For second equation, we take another values. This is our second equation. Okay. At x equals to 0, the value of y is in equation second. Okay. What is our second equation? 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. So here we put value of x is equals to 0. 4 into 0 plus 3y is equals to 20. So it is 0 and 3y is equals to 20. And the value of y is 20 by 3. It is also equals to 6.66. Okay. If we put y equals to 0 in second equation, at y equals to 0, the value of x is here we put y is equals to 0. We will get the value of x. It is 0 value of x is equals to 20 and 4. That is 5. At y is equals to 0, the value of x is 5. Okay. Equation second. Let's draw these values in graph. So the point is here. Okay. Where x is equals to 1, the value of y is equals to 2. The point is here. Where x is equals to 2, the value of y is equals to 4. It is 2 and it is 4. This is equal. And x is equals to 3, the value of y is equals to 6. This is 3 and this is 6. So the point is here. Let's take another values for second equation. Where x is equals to 0, the value of y is 6.66. Okay. X is equals to 0 and the value of y is equals to 6.66 here. Okay. And where y is equals to 0, the value of x is equals to 5. So the point is here. Let's join these points. Okay. This is the point where both the lines are intersect to each. This point is 2 and 4. Where x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. Okay. Let's solve this example with the help of substitution method. Second method is substitution method. Solve this equation by substitution method. In substitution method, we will get the value of one variable in the form of other variable. Like here, if we take equation first, like 2x minus y is equals to 0, the value of y is equals to 2x. Okay. If we put the value of y is equals to 2x in equation second, we will get the value of x. Like here. 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. 4x plus 3, 2x is equals to 20. 4x plus 6x is equals to 20. This is 10x is equals to 20. X is equals to 20 by 10. This is 2. So the value of x is equals to 2. If we put the value of x in this equation, we will get the value of y. Like x is equals to 2. Okay. Y 2x. If we put the value of x is equals to 2, we will get the value of y. The value of y is 4. Here x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. This value is same that we have got in graphical method. Let's solve this equation by elimination method. Third one is elimination method. In elimination method, we have to make the value of one variable equal. So here the equation is 2x minus y is equals to 0 and second equation is 4x plus 3y is equals to 20. So we will make the variable value of x is same that in second equation. So here we will multiply by 2. So the equation is 4x minus 2y is equals to 0. This is the third equation. Let's eliminate both the equations, second and third. So we will get the value of x and y. Take second and third. We know that in elimination method, if both the values are positive, we will subtract this equation. If the value of first equation is positive and the value of second equation is negative, we have to add it. Okay? So here both are positive, so we will subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0 and this is minus minus plus, so we will get 5y. 3 plus 2, 5y. And here 20 minus 0, it will give 20. So the value of y is equals to 20 by 5, that is y is equals to 4. Okay. We will put this value of y in equation second or in equation third. Okay. We will put value of y in equation third. So the equation is 4x minus 2 into 4 is equals to 0. 4x minus 8 is equals to 0. 4x is equals to 8 and x is equals to 8 by 4. So the x is 2. X is equals to 2. This is also the same value that we have got in substitution method and in graphical method. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.